Good evening, all of you. Now let's discuss exercise 2.1. Solve the following equations and check your results. Okay, you have to solve for x and you have to see the result, or you have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so let's write the first question. What is the first question? It's 3x equals 2x plus 18. This is our first question. Here variables are on both sides, isn't it? So you have to take the variable to one side. So let's write 3x here itself, and you can take this 2x to this side. So 2x, if taken to one side, what happens? Plus will change into minus. So 3x minus 2x equals 18. Okay, 2x when taken to other side, it will change into minus 2x. Okay, now what is 3x minus 2x? It is x. So x equals 18 will be our answer. Very easy. X equals 18. This is our solution. X equals 18. Okay, now let's check. You have to check your result. Okay, how can you check it? That is, our question is 3x equals 2x plus 18. So you have to check both LHS and RHS. So first let's check LHS. What is LHS here? It is 3x. So LHS equals 3x, which is equal to 3 into what have we got? We got 18. So 3 into, is it x equals 18? So 3 into 18. What is 3 into 18? You can see that it's 54. Okay. So 3 into 18 is 54. Now let's check RHS. What is RHS? RHS is 2x plus 18. RHS equals 2x plus 18. Okay. Now what is 2 into x is 18. Okay. 2 into 18 plus 18. Okay. What is 2 into 18? It's 36. 36 plus 18. What is 36 plus 18? You will see that it will be equal to 54. That means what you can say? LHS is equal to RHS. That means our solution is correct. Okay. So we have checked our result. So this is all about the first question. Now let's see the second question. 5t minus 3 equals 3t minus 5. So here also you have to take the variables to one side. Okay, variables are on both sides and you have to take it to one side. So let's put 5t here itself, and you can take this 3t to left hand side. Okay, if you are taking 3t to LHS, what happens? It will become minus 3t. Okay. Okay, so it will become what? 5t minus 3t. Then what is remaining there? Minus 3. Minus 3 equals what is remaining here? Minus 5. Understand? Okay. Now what is 5t minus 3t? It's 2t. So 2t minus 3 equals minus 5. Okay. So you have to get the variables only on one side. That means you have to take this also to another side. So 2t equals what? Minus 5 is already here. Now minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay. So 2t equals what? Minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2. Okay. So 2 into t equals minus 2. You want to get the t alone in this side. So you can take this 2 also to other side. That means what will be our answer? T equals minus 2 divided by this into, when taken to other side, will become what? Division. So minus 2 divided by 2. So what is minus 2 divided by 2? It's minus 1. So our answer is minus 1. Understand? Now you have to check our result. You have to substitute it in the question. So let's see LHS first. Okay. What was the LHS? LHS is 5t minus 3. Okay. Instead of t, you can put what? 5 into minus 1. Okay. Minus 3. Okay. What is 5 into minus 1? It's minus 5. So minus 5 minus 3 is what? Minus 8. Okay. Now let's see RHS. What is RHS? RHS is equal to What is in the question? RHS is equal to 3t minus 5. Okay, let's do that. 3t minus 5. Okay, now what is t? T, what have we got? We got minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 minus 5. Okay, minus 5. So what is 3 into minus 1? It's minus 3. So minus 3 minus 5. What is minus 3 minus 5? It's minus 8. Okay. So LHS you got minus 8 and RHS also you got minus 8. That means what? You can write it as LHS equals RHS. That means our answer is correct. Understand? So this is the second question. Okay. Now let's see the third question. So this is our third question. 5x plus 9 equals 5 plus 3x. Let's write it. So here also you can see variables are on both sides. So we have to take it to one side. So let's write 5x as it is. Now you can take 3x to this side. That means what? It will become minus 3x. Okay. Plus what is there in LHS? Plus 9 equals what is there in RHS? Plus equals 5. Okay, 3x we have taken to this side. Now what is 5x minus 3x? That is 2x. Okay, 2x plus 9 equals 5. Okay, now you can take this 9 to this side. Okay, so what happens? 2x equals 5 minus 9. Now 2x equals, what is 5 minus 9? It's minus 4. Okay. What is 2 into x is 2x. Okay, 2 into x is minus 4. So you can keep this x here and you can take 2 to that side. That means what? If you are taking 2 to this side means it will become division. So minus 4 divided by 2 is what? Minus 2. Okay, so x equals minus 2 will be our answer. X equals minus 2. Now let's check. So what is LHS? LHS is 5x plus 9. Okay, LHS is equal to 5x plus 9. Now let's substitute this x. What is x? X equals minus 2. Okay, that is the answer that we got, plus 9. What is 5 into minus 2? It's minus 10. So minus 10 plus 9. What is the answer? It's minus 1. Okay, minus 1 will be the answer. Now let's check RHS. What is RHS? RHS is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x. Now 5 plus 3 into what is x? Minus 2. Okay. So what is 5 plus 3 into minus 2? What is 3 into minus 2? It's minus 6. Okay. So 5 plus minus 6 is what? Minus 1. Okay. So you got LHS as minus 1 and RHS as minus 1. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. If you are not getting the answer as LHS is equal to RHS, or if your LHS is not equal to RHS, then you can say that your answer is not correct or you have got a incorrect solution. Okay. Now let's see the fourth question. So this is our fourth question. 4z plus 3 equals 6 plus 2z. Let's do that. So here also you can see variables are on both sides. So you can take the variables to one side. Okay. So you can write it as 4z. This 2z can be taken to this side. So it will become what? Minus 2z. Okay. Now what is remaining? Plus 3. So plus 3 equals 6. Okay. Now what happens? What is 4z minus 2z? It's 2z. 2z plus 3 equals 6. Now you can take this 3 to other side. So it will become what? 2z equals 6 minus 3. Okay, you have to show the steps. Okay, so 2z equals what? 3. Okay, 2z equals 3. Now 2z means what? 2 into z. 2 into z equals 3. So you have to keep this z alone here. So you have to take 2 to other side. That means z equals 3 divided by 2. Okay, so our answer is z equals 3 by 2. Okay, now let's check LHS and RHS. So LHS equals what? 4z plus 3. LHS is what? 4z plus 3. Okay, So this will be equal to 4 into, what is z? Z is 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2, okay, plus 3. Okay, 4z plus 3. Now 4 into 3 by 2. What is 4 into 3 by 2? That means 12 by 2. Okay, 12 by 2 plus 3. What is 12 by 2? 12 by 2 is 6. So 6 plus 3. Okay, what is 6 plus 3? That is 9. So you got LHS as what? 9. Okay, now let's see what is RHS. Okay, RHS is what? 6 plus 2z. Okay, our question 6 plus 2z is RHS. Now let's check it. 6 plus 2z. That means 6 plus 2 into, what is z here? Z, you got the answer as 3 by 2. So z is 3 by 2. Okay. Now 6 plus, what is 2 into 3 by 2? That is 6 by 2. Okay. So 6 plus, what is 6 by 2? 3. So 6 plus 3 is again 9. Okay. So you got LHS as 9 and RHS as 9. That means what? LHS is equal to RHS, or you can say your solution is correct. Okay. Your solution Z equal to 3 by 2 is correct. So that's all about the fourth question. Now let's see the fifth one. So fifth one, what is the question? 2x minus 1 equals 14 minus x. Okay, let's write it. Here also, let's take variables to one side. So you can take this x to left hand side. So what? 2x, x is already minus sign. So if you are taking it to left hand side, what happens? It will become plus. Okay, minus if taken to other side will become what? Plus. So 2x plus x. Okay, what is remaining there? Minus 1 equals 14. Okay, you can write it like this. Now what is 2x plus x? That is 3x. 3x minus 1 equals 14. Okay, now you have to take this minus to other side. That means what? 3x equals 14 minus when taken to other side plus 1. So 3x equals what? 15. Okay. So 3x means what? 3 into x equals 15. So keeping x here and taking 3 to other side will give what? 15 divided by 3. Now what is 15 divided by 3? That is 5. So x equal to 5 will be our answer. Okay. Now let's check it. What you have to check? You have to check the left hand side. What is left hand side? LHS is, what is LHS? LHS is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1. What is x here? You got x as 5. Answer x equals 5. So 2 into 5. Okay. Minus 1. 2x minus 1. Okay. Now what is 2 into 5? That is 10. 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Okay. So you got LHS as what? 9. Okay. LHS is equal to 9. Now let's check what is RHS. What is RHS here? You can see RHS is 14 minus x. Okay. RHS is 14 minus x. So let's do that. 14 minus, what is x? X you got as 5. So 14 minus 5. What is 14 minus 5? It's again 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. So you got LHS as 9 and RHS as 9. That means you can write what? LHS equals RHS, or you can say what? Your solution is correct. Okay. So this is the fifth question. Now let's see sixth question. So what is the sixth question? 8x plus 4 equals 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Okay, let's do that. So here you can see that there is a bracket present. Okay, and if you are opening the bracket or if you are doing the things inside the bracket first, then it will be more easier. Okay, otherwise you cannot take the variables to one side. You cannot take this terms to this side if you are not opening the bracket. So you have to open the bracket first. Okay, so let's do that. That is 8x plus 4 equals, let's open the bracket, that is 3 into x is 3x. Okay, minus, what is 3 into 1? 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, so we got it as 3x minus 3. Then what is there? Plus 7. Okay, so you got it in this way. Plus 7. Okay. Now let's take variables to left hand side. Okay, so 8x, when you are taking 3x to other side, what happens? It will become 3x minus 3x. Okay, so 8x minus 3x, then what is there? Plus 4 equals, what is there? Minus 3 plus 7. What is minus 3 plus 7? It's plus 4. Okay, now 8x minus 3x. What is 8x minus 3x? That is 5x. Okay, so 5x plus 4 equals 4. Okay, now let's put 5x here, and if you are taking 4 to that side, you will get what? 4 minus 4. Okay, plus 4 when taken to that side, it will become what? Minus 4. So 5x equals 0. Okay, that means what? 5 into x equals 0. Okay, that means what? X will be equal to 0. Okay, so the solution for this is 0. Okay, now let's see the LHS and RHS. What is LHS here? LHS is equals 8x plus 4. 8x plus 4. That means what? 8 into x is what? 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4. That means what? 8 into 0 is what? 0. 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. Okay. Now let's see RHS. What is RHS here? RHS. RHS is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Okay. 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. That means what? That means that is equal to 3 into what is x? X you got as 0. So 0 minus 1 plus 7. Okay. That means 3 into what is 0 minus 1? It's minus 1 plus 7. Or we can write it as what is 3 into minus 1? It's minus 3. So minus 3 plus 7. What is minus 3 plus 7? It's 4. So you got LHS as 4 and RHS as 4. That means what? LHS is equal to RHS, or you can say your answer is correct. Okay, got it? So this is all about sixth question. Okay,